Okay, it's JC here. 12 Days of Wellness. We've spoken a lot about a lot of stuff. Today, I want to talk about giving back, so acts of kindness. Just a quick little one today. How can you not just spread holiday cheer at this time of year if it's a holiday season, but in general? Um, Donate time, donate money, donate items, donate something. How giving back can help you to feel like you're given a gift as well. So I always have a saying that the gift is in the giving. And at this time of year, maybe contact a few places that are doing food runs or delivering boxes of presents and gifts and food to homeless people or disadvantaged people. Go read a book to someone in a hospital. Visit a nursing home. There are so many things that you can do. Have a look. Use ChatGPT for some ideas. Ask your neighbors. Ask people in the supermarkets what they do. Um, there's a lot of options. Pick one. The gift is in the giving. Do something nice. Pay it forward. Bring your neighbor's bins in. Could be just something simple. See you in the next video. Bye for now.